Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to upload initially or change your podcast artwork in PowerPress 8.3 or above. If you have an older version of PowerPress, then upgrade to 8.3. Otherwise, this video will make no sense. So go to the back end of your WordPress site, go down to PowerPress and click on Settings. You'll see there's no image here. So we want to go to the Feeds section and then go to Podcast Artwork. And in here, make sure that your artwork is 1400 by 1400 pixels, all the way up to 3000 by 3000 pixels in RGB format as a PNG or JPEG, and that it's less than half a megabyte in size. I suggest going with a smaller 1400 by 1400 pixel image because most people are looking at that 1 inch by 1 inch on their phone. So no need to blow it up to billboard size, and that 3000 pixel image will be really hard to get under half a megabyte. Just a suggestion, but click the upload image, go find your image on your computer. There's my beautiful 2 minutes in WordPress or in Photoshop. Hit OK there, and you'll see that the JPEG image is in the box. Before you save your changes, tick this box that says uses RSS image and use the program Apple Podcast image above for your Apple episode image. Now there are other places to do episodic images, but we're not going to cover that in this quick video. Hit Save Changes and voila, your image is there. If you want to preview it, go back to the welcome screen and there's your image. And that's all there is to either uploading initially or changing your podcast image. If you're changing it, make sure you use a different file name than the original, and make sure that you are prepared to wait at least a day or so before all the directories will get the change. Happy podcasting!